I want to share with you some of the AI employees that I have hired and who have and who in the AI Leadership Institute we have a lot of folks who use these AI employees. Now, this is actually a tool that we use. So they have names that are like Ava and Penny and all of that, but I go with it. So Ava is an AI employee. I have an Ava too. She drafts my emails in my tone and style. She manages my inbox. She joins meetings and takes notes. And if I give her access to my calendar, she schedules and organizes meetings for me and handles follow-ups. So every day I save a ton of time because Ava handles a lot of she's an executive assistant. She handles a lot of my email responses, meetings, scheduling, and all of that. Now, like I said, social media is where a lot of us, when we are trying to find our audience, is we go to social media. So Sunny is my social media writer, and I use Sunny to help write my social media. I was tell you frankly, I was not an Instagram person. I was like, oh, I realized that I have to be on Instagram, so I dragged myself to it. So now Sunny creates my Instagram posts, right? And I have the guardrails in place. I always verify before he posts. I will never let him post, you know, initially, especially when I'm training, right? So he writes it in my tone, my branding. He completely drafts it, but I review it. That's the responsible AI in me. And I can take any content and give it to him, and he can repurpose it. He can make it, relevant for Insta, for LinkedIn, or Facebook. And the content changes, your tone changes, your voice changes depending on which social platform you're posting to. So that will help you increase your followers. And when you have more followers, you can hope to convert them to, more customers. So Sunny has been instrumental in helping me, with my social media. And then I have Penny, who's my long form content writer. When you are engaging with long form content, that is the one that helps boost your SEO, So I use Penny for my newsletter. And I have given very clear guidance and very clear guidelines on how she should engage with my content and how she should structure it, what kind of images she's allowed to use, what kind of words she's not allowed to use, where should she be actually, sourcing her information from. And every newsletter, if she sources anything, should have a link to the research or to the article. So these are clear instructions that I have given Penny. And I also definitely tell her who my audience is, right? Because it has to serve the audience. So this is very my newsletter writing. Earlier it would take me a while to write my newsletters. Penny has cut that time down to by almost 75%, right? And then Stan, right? He is the sales representative who will actually go and find leads, and send emails and follow-ups. And I have had so many, so you can either make Stan go to your email and send emails, but I had him sort of connect to my LinkedIn and reach out to folks on LinkedIn. So he finds qualified leads, follows up with them like clockwork, and every outreach is personalized, right? And when you have a personalized connect, you have more responses. I'm not saying that every lead that he connects to responds to me. No, that's the reality of it. But I do not have to spend so much time actually researching, finding my right audience. So Stan does that for me, and Stan is phenomenal. And then, of course, I have an AI receptionist. you get a dedicated US phone number. So someone can call that number and your receptionist can answer, converse with that person, and you get the whole transcript of that call available to you. So these are, and I wanted to quickly, since I told you I created this in the presentation in the last whatever couple hours. This is a snapshot of the first week of April, right? In the first week of April, I was traveling 2 of those days. I already had saved 8 hours in like 3 days just because I had these guys working with for me, right? But I make sure that I am involved and I see what they're working on, how they're working, what is the kind of content. I monitor everything, and that's the responsible AI monitoring that I do. AI is never one and done.